I'm going to be carving my brows, so guys, don't make jests of me, please. Just follow me as I do it. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a new subscriber here, please make yourself comfortable. You're welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing something very different. I've not done this before on my channel. So I am not a makeup person. Like, I don't know how to do makeup, but sometimes I try to like carve my brows and you know, do some lip magic. So today what I'll be doing basically is just like have my brows. It's been a very long time I did that. I usually go to makeup artists to help me carve it, but I said, okay, let me just do it today and then film the process for you guys to see. Guys, wish me luck, because I don't know what is going to be the result of this. Like, I don't know how the result is going to be, but please just wish me luck and pray for me, guys. So let's just jump right into the video. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you how my brow looks like right now. Let me see if I can move closer and for you to see. So it looks so full and rough. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead to like pack my hair so it doesn't disturb me. I have my ruler in front of me here, so see how it goes. I have my spoolie here for this, so yeah. Then I have my razor blade here with me. So wish me well, wish me well, wish me well. Okay. Good. Spoolie. Am I going to get this thing? I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. It's like I'm getting it though. I'm not sure, but I think it's better this way. I really don't know, but just think I've tried though. Hey, let me just leave it like this. I should not spoil everything. I think I tried though. Into the second side. Let me try the second side. Another struggle is making the both sides, like carving them alike, making sure they look the same. That's another difficult thing to achieve. All those makeup artists, they used to try. You guys wish me well. Hey, did I get this thing? Did I get it? Oh my god. Like I've modeled this side though. Let me comb it down. Okay. Hey, God, oh, I've done rubbish. I've done rubbish. I've done rubbish. This one is not looking like the first one I did though. Ah, I've spoiled it though. Oof, I didn't get this other side though. I've modeled everything. I've spot everything. Let me just leave it here. Spot everything. Look at what I did with my brows. I modeled it. I modeled it. I modeled it. I just spoiled my brows. I just spoiled it. You guys didn't pray for me enough. So guys, this is the end of Carve My Brow With Me video. Thank you for staying till this time. I want you to rate me on a scale of 1 to 10. Please don't give me 1, don't give me 2, don't give me anything less than 5. I'm sure I tried now. I tried. Kindly give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Also ring your notification bell so that you'll be the first person, you'll be the first person to get notified immediately I drop a new video. Or if you want me to do any fun thing on this channel, kindly leave your suggestions down below. So guys, I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye.